Hi, ready to explore a new tool together? Introducing the Festool ROTEX RO 150. This incredible set-geared orbital sander offers maximum versatility for outstanding results. With its 3-in-1 functionality, you can tackle coarse sanding, fine sanding, and polishing, all with just one tool. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to efficiency. The ROTEX RO 150 is designed for extreme removal during coarse sanding while delivering an accurate, homogeneous finish in fine sanding. And when it comes to polishing, expect nothing less than perfection. Thanks to the Granat abrasive, you not only save money on purchases, but also reduce abrasive consumption. Plus, with the FastFix system, changing sanding pads is a breeze. No tools required. From removing old paint to sanding stairs and polishing mineral materials, the Festool ROTEX RO 150 is your go-to solution for all your woodworking and renovation needs. Experience prestigious, scratch-free surfaces and powerful removal with this ergonomic powerhouse. Get more details at the link below.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.